So all that we have been saying that OKX does not work in Nigeria, this particular video solves all of that. So you've been wondering whether your Memefi can be successfully claimed to OKX and you actually withdraw it. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how I am claiming my own Memefi to OKX so that you don't make the mistake of using any pattern that wouldn't work well, okay? So just pay attention from beginning to the end and you're going to get the best out of this. Meanwhile, I'll leave your phone screen right now. Focus on your phone screen and copy it exactly. You have your Memefi right there in your OKX and you withdraw it as well, okay? So here in the Memefi community, this is what they told us. On-chain claim is by 12 o'clock UTC. A listing on the 13th UTC. All is happening on the 22nd of November, which is today. Claiming is available to everyone. So this is the frequently asked questions. Our Nigerians have bombarded the internet. That's why they actually want to answer this clearly. OKX is nowhere to find in my region mobile store. So now they have the solution for that, and the answer to your question is use the official OKX Wallet Telegram app. It's available in all regions. Yeah, so if you have been worried about this, worry no more. So let's get back and do this and see what it's like. So let's do the connection actually and see if we encounter any difficulties. So this is what we have to observe. Please upgrade the OKX wallet to the latest version. First, click on check the task. So it's actually processing, and let's see if it connects, because I am also in Nigeria, which is a region we believe this does not work perfectly. OKX wallet is available on OKX app and Telegram. All right. Connect to OKX app. Okay, so let's do the connection. Just go ahead and click on connect. So in trying to load, this appears to be the same network issue, but I want to go ahead and click on the OKX wallet again and see. So I have internet connection, but it's still not connecting. So what I'm going to do now is to use VPN. So I'm going to use Thunder VPN so that Thunder go fire them if they no connect them. I'll install. So I just installed Thunder VPN and I'm going to click on open. Which VPN have you been using? Thunder VPN, you just open it and accept. It's one of the easiest VPN to use for Nigerians. It's also free of charge. Okay. Yeah, even if you see ads, in case you want to use this particular one, you go ahead and click on the close icon here. Now you click on connect. Now it says connection request. Thunder VPN wants to set up a VPN connection that allows it to monitor network traffic. Only accept if you trust the source. Appears at the top of your screen when VPN is active. Now go ahead and click on OK. This is all that you have to do, because automatically you can see the server, the country server we are currently using, the duration, the download and the upload. Okay, so if you want to change the country, you can always choose here. So now that we have connected it, you want to get back to the OKX and now refresh. So I believe that with this VPN, if it works at all, it's supposed to work. So I'm going to go ahead and click on OKX wallet again. Let's see this. Yeah, so you can see right here that this is working, man. Download the app, Google Play. Yeah, since we now use a VPN, I can use whether download the app or Google Play. After all, Nigeria is not detected right here, okay? Meanwhile, I want to show you everything complete just in case it works. Not because I've been playing Memefi or have rewards for that, but because I noticed that most people could lose their airdrop if they do not connect this properly and start claiming their token. After the install is done, you click on open. You have to use the VPN in case yours is not working properly. Ooh. What's that? Start your crypto journey. It's restricted locations. Let's see. All right. OKX is currently not available in France due to local laws and regulations, okay? What of in Nigeria? If you don't reside in France, however, you may continue using OKX exchange with a valid government-issued ID. Your access to OKX Wallet is not affected. Okay, that's beautiful. So let's go to the OKX wallet. So right here, simply click on sign up, and right here in this page, the OKX main page, you create wallet, or I already have one. I'm using create wallet option because this is to show you everything. Now if you have seed phrase, now a seed phrase will be created, so click on create one or hardware, but I'm clicking on create one. Okay, so you put your fingerprint and the wallet will load so that you'll be able to select the seed phrase. Okay, do you want to save it manually or Google Drive? So I want to use manual option. If you use manual option, you can write it out somewhere and be able to save it in different places. So continue. So the reason why they are telling you all of this is just for you to be sure of what you are about to do. Anyone that sees this seed phrase can access your account. I understand. Own the seed phrase, own the wallet. Now you go ahead and click on backup seed phrase, so you have to copy it somewhere right now. Okay, so let me just go ahead and click on backup and impute fingerprint. So if you click on this eye now, it will be shown to you. Yeah, after you put your fingerprint. So right now my seed phrase will display, but you cannot see it, so I'll just write it somewhere else. So right here in this page, you're going to confirm the word that they wrote in that seed phrase. Since your seed phrase is 12 different words, so right here they said you should confirm word number 2, what is there. So I'm going to select what is in my word number 2, and the next one they said word number 6, what is there. So I'm going to select what is in my word number 6. And now they also said word number 12, what is there. So I'll select what is in word number 12. Okay, so we now head to the next page. So you have actually created this right now. So you have created your OKX wallet. So what you simply do now is to head back to Memefi and go ahead and connect Memefi to OKX properly. Okay, so we are now in Memefi. Connect OKX wallet. Just go ahead and click on it, and this time around it will load, and you see option to connect OKX mini wallet. Okay, so these are two options. I'm using the one below. So right here you click on start. So right here you click option for import wallet because you have already created the wallet, right? So here you input your seed phrase correctly. Make sure it's right. Now click confirm. So you have just done it. Input your fingerprint or you can create password. Now allow. Yeah, the fingerprint here. So right here we have the Memefi. Okay, so you see right here it says Memefi. Now you can now click on connect below, and you see finally it's connected. So you see here your wallet address. You can copy it and click on confirm. Yeah, this is it, man. And you can see right at the center that Memefi is there. You see it here, right? So you can see check your Memefi airdrop eligibility. You see that this actually works perfectly.